The SOYEEZE fishing rod holder rack combines a compact rolling cart with a three-tier layout, so rods, tackle, and tools all stay organized in one dedicated station for the garage. Its dual-sided pegboard and included hooks make it easy to keep lures, line, pliers, and other small accessories visible and within reach instead of buried in a drawer. Soft rod clips along both sides cradle up to 12 fishing rods securely, protecting guides and blanks, while the lower holders keep butts from shifting or knocking together. A sturdy wooden work surface on top gives you a convenient spot to rig baits, service reels, or sort small boxes without needing a separate bench. Two metal shelves underneath add generous storage for tackle boxes, waders, nets, and other bulky gear, turning wasted floor space into a tidy fishing hub. Lockable caster wheels let you roll the fully loaded rack wherever you need it, and then keep it firmly parked, which is especially helpful in busy garages or shared spaces.